lost it. So,
You lost it?
Yeah, this is like...
You got your ID?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, just to make sure.
But Nick, our landlord, told me to call you.
Okay, that's good. All right. Yeah, just like that. Quick old fast, man. Shaky. Need a screw right there. I got you. I'm gonna get you to a screw. One day. All right, make sure this won't work. All right, what you do? Cash or card?
I can do card.
All right, I'm gonna get 2 screws for you and come back with the machine. All right.
Call 839-056751. Delano Locksmith, your trusted and indestructible locksmith in South Carolina.